Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix emails not sending in System.io. If your broadcasts or automations aren't leaving the outbox, the most common culprit is incomplete or incorrect mailing settings. In a few minutes, we'll confirm the right sender details so your messages can be delivered reliably. Start by opening your System.io dashboard. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen for your account profile. This menu is where all global options live, including the controls that govern how your emails are identified when they go out. Click the Profile menu and choose Settings. On the Settings page, find the section labeled Emails. This area manages your mailing configuration, and it's the first place to check whenever deliveries stall. In the mailing settings, enter your sender information. Use a clear sender name that your contacts will recognize and pair it with a professional domain-based email address. A branded address from your own domain typically performs better than a free mailbox because inbox providers can verify where messages come from. Double check for typos here. Even a small error in the address can silently block outgoing mail or redirect replies. You may also see a field for a test or reply address. Add a valid inbox you actively monitor. This helps you verify that messages can be received and makes it easier to spot deliverability issues early. Keeping the sender name and email consistent across campaigns also builds trust and improves open rates. Before leaving the page, make sure your changes are saved. If your plan uses a custom domain, it's a good idea to authenticate that domain with your DNS provider using industry standards such as SPF and DKIM. While that setup happens outside Systemi.io, it directly affects whether major inboxes accept your mail. If you're unsure how to do this, check your domain host documentation or contact their support for step-by-step guidance. That's it for the core fix. By navigating to your dashboard, opening your profile menu, going into settings, choosing emails, and entering accurate sender and testing details, you resolve the most frequent reason emails fail to send. Give the system a moment to apply the update, then proceed with your regular campaigns and automations. If issues continue, review bounce or spam notifications in your email inbox and consult System.io support with the exact error messages for deeper troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and we hope your next send goes out smoothly.